Hello, good morning, dear student. Welcome to Gayatri English Medium School, Sanchor. Today we continue class 6th mathematics, and today's our topic is a arrangement of number. In previous lecture we learned about how to compare number, and second one topic was how many numbers can you make. Okay, in topic how many number can you make, there is a given number of digits like 4 digit and 3 digit, and asking to us for make a 4 digit number, 3 digit number. Okay, but if there is given number of digit is a 2, like this question, take a 2 digit, say 2 and 3, make a 4 digit number, and using both the digit equal number of times. It means one digit is 2 and second is 3, and using both digit equal time, it means their number in 2 is 2 times and 3 is also 2 times, and make a numbers, and we have to find which is greatest number, which is smallest number, and how many numbers can you make in R. Okay, let me start. Okay, first number can be 3322, second is 2233, and 3 is 3232, and second is 2323. We can make only 4 digit, 4 number. In this 4 number, this 3322 is highest number, and 2233 is the smallest number. And how many numbers can we make? Only 4 number can be made. If there is given number of digit is less, and for asking us to make a maximum digits number, then we can make a number by the repeating of digits. Okay, we start our next topic as arrangement of number. What is arrangement of number? Okay, arrangement of number, we can arrange two types. Okay, one method is we can arrange them in increasing order, and another is decreasing order. Increasing order means we can arrange them in a smallest to highest, and in decreasing order we can arrange them highest to lowest, means highest to smallest. Okay, there is two types of arrangement. We can arrange them in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order or descending order. And in ascending order, it means arrangement from the smallest to greatest, means smallest to highest. And descending order means arrangement from greatest to smallest, greatest to smallest. And arrangement is easy for us because arrangement are seen in everyday life, like in prayer, arrangement of student in a prayer according to height wise. Smallest smaller is first line, and then smallest to highest in this order arrange in this one. Okay, we can understand by this example. There is 4 student. One is Ramhari, second one is Dolly, third is Mohan, and 4 is Sakshi. In this 4 students, all have different height. Ramhari have a 160 centimeter, Dolly have a 154 centimeter, Mohan have a 158 centimeter, and Sakshi has a 159 centimeter. If we arrange them ascending order, it means arrangement in order of smallest to highest. Then smallest to highest, it means Dolly comes first. Then which is smallest? Dolly is a smallest. Dolly is a smallest. It means Dolly is a shortest. Okay. Then Dolly. Second one is a Mohan. Then Dolly after come Mohan. Then Sakshi. Then Ramhari. It means Ramhari is a tallest. Ramhari is a tallest. Okay. If we arrange them in a increasing order of their heights, then Dolly comes first, then Mohan, then Sakshi, then Ramhari. If arrange them in decreasing order of their height, then Ramhari comes first, then Sakshi, then Mohan, then Dolly. It means Ramhari is a taller and Dolly is a smaller according to height. Okay, that type we can arrangement of number. Second one example is we have a 5 almirahs. Okay, there is a different price of them. One almirah is 2635 rupees. Second one is 1897 rupees, and third one is 2854 rupees, and fourth is 1788 rupees, and last one is 3975 rupees. Discussion: Sohan and Rita went to buy a almirah. Okay, there is many almirahs and price tag are available on this almirahs. In this question asking to us, can you arrange their price in increasing order? Can you arrange their price in decreasing order? It means these almirahs are arranging according to their price in ascending order and descending order. If we arrange them in increasing order, that smallest price, or we can say in cheapest price of almirahs comes first, then this almirahs comes first. Okay, 1897. Sorry, this is wrong because we know this is cheapest, okay, because this fourth almiraj is comes first, because this almiraj have price 1788, this have a 1800, then this almiraj comes first, then second one is comes after highest. Second is this, third is this, fourth is this, and fifth is this, okay, by the comparing of number which is highest, which is lowest, okay. In this 5 almiraj price, there is a lowest price is 1788 and highest price as a 3975. We can arrange them like increasing order. It means first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. In case of decreasing of order of price, it means descending order, then highest price of almiraj comes first, then 3975 price tag almiraj comes first number one this, and second one's this one, second is this, third one is this, fourth is this, and fifth is this. So I hope you understand this. If the arrangement of numbers can be in form of price tag, in form of height, in form of length, okay. Numbers can arrange in order ascending and descending by the comparing of number. Highest, in case of ascending order, then smallest number comes first, and descending order, there is highest number comes first, okay. In this lecture we studying about arrangement of number, okay, according to height, who is smallest, who is shorter, increasing order and decreasing order. We do an exercise, okay, like this. Arrangement of following numbers in ascending order. There is a 4 number ascending order. It means lowest to highest. Then first number is 57, second one is 847, third is 8320, and fourth is 9754, okay. Ascending order, it means lowest to highest. Lowest 571 comes first, and highest 9754 is comes last, okay. Second example is this 4 number, okay. In this number, one is 4-digit number and another as a 5-digit number. 4-digit number is the smallest number, then 9801 is smallest, then this comes first. After that 25,751, then 36501, okay, comes, then 300,802, okay, like that. Next one is second question, asking us to arrange the following number in descending order. It means highest number of digit highest digit come first, it means this number is comes first position, then second one is this, third, and this is fourth. Okay, in this question there is this comes first, this comes second, this comes fourth, and this comes fifth. This question is ascending order and this is descending order. And next lecture we will discuss about shifting of digit, how to shift the number. Okay, I hope you understand this, okay, how to arrange the number in ascending order or descending order. Okay.